Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS news for Monday, June 17, 2024. The 10th Jamaica Biennial Diaspora Conference is boasting its largest number of registrants in the 20 years of the Assembly. The conference got off to a start on Sunday, which was observed as Diaspora Day, with over 1,100 registered delegates. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, says this year also marks the largest sponsorship and marketplace. While addressing the pre-opening ceremony Sunday evening, she emphasized that the diaspora was a diverse movement and said all effort must be made to work through challenges and differences to achieve unity in the best interest of Jamaica.
You reflect the strong bond that exists between Jamaicans and our homeland wherever we go. You demonstrate the desire to further strengthen the partnership with our homeland and to see how together we can build wealth, we can build community, and we build partnerships.
First-time delegate Shelly Lopez says she will be networking in the area of youth development, among others.
I'm looking forward to discussing the foreign trade and the security of our youth, to discuss education, and to be able to become a bridge between here and Chicago.
Meanwhile, investment opportunities in Jamaica and how to run a successful business in the diaspora are some of the major topics being pushed by organizers of the conference. The highlight will be what's called the Riverside Chat, a unique series within the conference that will facilitate intimate and in-depth conversations designed to foster personal connections and deeper understanding. Chair of the conference, Courtney Campbell, says they are bringing together experts, thought and business leaders, as well as young people, to interact with policymakers and key public sector leaders to advance the ideas.
Jamaica is a vibrant location for business. We are the venue for music, entertainment, for sport and leisure, but we're also building globally competitive businesses and innovative businesses, and we want the world to know that, and the world can know that through the Jamaicans who live overseas. So we're going to be supported by JAMPRO.
The 10th Biennial Diaspora Conference continues until June 19 at the Montego Bay Convention Center. It's being held under the theme, United for Jamaica's Transformation, Fostering Peace, Productivity and Youth Empowerment. Over 1,300 small businesses in Jamaica have so far benefited from approximately $5.5 million in support through the Boosting Innovation, Growth and Entrepreneurship Ecosystems BIGGI program. BIGGI is a key initiative by the government to strengthen Jamaica's entrepreneurial ecosystem and drive economic growth over 5 years from September 2020 to March 2025.
These projects are predominantly technology-driven and crucial. They hold significant potential for export and increase foreign exchange earnings.
Mr. Grant was speaking at the recent signing ceremony for 5 beneficiary companies under Cohort 5 of the BIGGI Jamaica Business Fund, JBF. This grant fund product is aimed at supporting groups of businesses operating as clusters. The $25 million BIGGI initiative is financed by the Inter-American Development Bank and executed by the Development Bank of Jamaica. Effective July 1, the Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, will no longer exchange coins of the Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound, or euro at its banking counter. As part of its banking services offered to the public, the BOJ facilitates the exchange of specified foreign currency banknotes and coins for Jamaican dollars at its banking counter. But the central bank says in recent years it has become increasingly challenging to offer this service for non-US dollar foreign coins. This is primarily due to the unavailability of options for the repatriation of these coins to their respective issuing central banks. The BOJ will, however, continue to accept and exchange USD, Canadian dollar, the pound and euro banknotes, as well as USD coins, for which the counter rates are published on its website. And finally, a state-of-the-art STEM robotics center has been opened at the Excelsior Community College's Eureka campus. The recently opened center has been equipped to provide students with a platform to excel in the fields of science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and robotics.
In alignment with the Ministry of Education and Youth, Jamaica's STEM initiative, the center emphasizes not only technical skills, but also critical thinking, creativity and problem-solving abilities, aiming to prepare our students for the demands of a rapidly evolving global workforce.
Highlighting the broader significance of the new facility, Principal of the institution, Fillmore McCarthy, says the lab holds tremendous value.
This lab is not just a room filled with equipment. It's a hub for creativity. It's a center for research. It's a platform for technological competence. And it will provide a gateway opportunity for our students and our community to strive.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.